So here's the twist bar. So this is ADCRV2 and Pops Pro Cut. And that's what the cutoff end looks like. And it just rotates all the way through. So I'm going to cut this into probably maybe four, probably three pieces, and clean it up, restack it, and forge weld it together. So I'll get a billet of 3 twists going side by side. Should be pretty cool. This is one of the bars of 15 and 20 and 1084. Just light polish up on that end. Give it a quick test etch. You can start to see those layers in there. So that is 16 layers. This is going to get cut and restacked. Again, probably 3, maybe 4 times. But that is, you can start to see the pattern just a little bit in there. Well, it's not great.